Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at ASP Isotopes. It is time for another update, and on this chart we have been tracking this possible development in a leading diagonal in a larger 5-wave move to the upside, completing a wave 1, where so far we have the wave 1 complete, the wave 2 complete, and now we are tracking a third wave to the upside. Now the interpretation within this wave 3, which we have been tracking previously, was the idea that this is an A wave up, we have here a B wave down, and then we could be looking for the C wave to develop here to the upside, where we might have had a wave 1 complete, a wave 2 on the way, and yeah, we were looking to reach the support zone area for that wave 2, but unfortunately it never happened and we actually turned back higher. And we did previously have quite good success with this bearish setup anyway, where we had an A wave, then we were looking for a B wave correction, which got to the exact top of the resistance area at the 78.6% retracement and reversed to the downside. And we were looking for different possible ways to still track this development in this area within a wave C to have a complete pattern, but it actually never came, and we haven't gotten to the support zone area. So now I am actually considering that in fact it is more likely that we haven't even completed this wave 1 top yet, and that it probably extended all the way up here, and that is not even a problem in this case, because yeah, we were still tracking a leading diagonal within the wave 1, where this could have been a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a third up, a fourth, and a fifth, maybe like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think this is what we were tracking before. Looks better, but regardless, I can consider that this is a 1, this is a 2, this is a third, and we have here a fourth wave instead, and then this would be the fifth wave to the upside, which is now likely complete. And in this idea, we could extend the support zone area for such an interpretation, and we would be looking to reach here the wave 2 support zone between the $8.6 level all the way down to the $4.9 level, and still look with good likelihoods for a reversal to the upside within this wave C to complete the larger wave 3. Now this is one of the interpretations that could work out in our favor and yeah, could lead us directly into this wave 3. But of course there are other options, and not necessarily even bearish, but it is possible that instead of having here an A, B, C developing directly in the third wave to the upside, I see the risk that this could actually be a wave C top, and now we could have a larger wave A, a wave B correction now, and then we could head into the C wave to the upside. Now in such a case, the wave B would have a support zone area that would overlap somewhat with the smaller time frame support area for the wave 2 in green, but it is still a risk that yeah, we may head below the support zone that we have here in the green scenario, in the green interpretation, and only then really start the rally into the wave C of the third wave to the upside. So we need to be very careful around this area, right? Because the 78.6% retracement at the $4.9 level, it's not a complete invalidation of further continuation here to the upside. It is really just an indication that this 1-2 setup in the green scenario, which I believe we should maybe shift it to white and keep the larger structure as green. But yeah, in this case, within this 1-2 setup in the white scenario, it is likely it will not play out within that interpretation, and yeah, the yellow count could take lead in that case. Now if we manage to find support in the upper area of the wave 2 here in white, it is a good chance that yeah, we are building a third wave within the wave C to the upside, and that we are tracking the original pattern. But right now I am pretty much in between. I'm not too focused on either scenario. I am waiting for the larger correction to unfold, and yeah, I do believe it is likely to find at least some support here at the initial 38.2% retracement, because we also have quite significant structural support in this area, and it is an area that yeah, I expect at least a relief rally from. But yeah, if we look here in the very short time frame, it seems that yeah, this movement, this pattern to the upside is likely complete now, and yeah, we probably have something like a double 1 2 set up in this area, and this could be a third wave unfolding in this very moment. And yeah, we may be heading directly towards the support line and then start the wave 4, something like that. But I am generally looking for a larger correction here within either the wave 2 in white or the wave B in yellow. Either works fine for the scenario that we are tracking on the larger time frame, and there really is no preference at the moment. And for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.